Star date, February 6, 2010. We seem to be hit with a snow meteor. All intelligent life forms seem to be safe. We are forced to dig our way out of what we call a horrific meteor. Men and women are teaming up together to get out and be safe. But it looks kinda crazy. Don't know if we can get it done. Cars are buried. It is kind of crazy. This is what's left of the city's plow job for the highest taxes in Chester County. This is what you get. Got a neighbor over here. He's digging his way out. Doesn't look good though. He'll be here a while. Yeah, really insane meteor. Never even seen it coming. This is what you get. The first blizzard of 2010.